You may know the company IGNIK because of their ammo can style fire pits, but this right here is the game changer for 2025 for all of you who camp, RV, and overland. This is the IGNIK Skullet, and this is why we like it. Why we like it is a channel about stuff we like. Hey, if you don't like it, that's okay, move along. But if you like it, subscribe. If you're a car camper or an overlander, you know that having space to store and transport everything sometimes is a challenge. This is a 3-in-1 unit where you have a fire pit, you have a cooktop, and you have a heater. And you can see in its stowed position, it's actually shorter than a 5-pound gas growler propane tank. The Skullet is super compact, highly portable, so it's perfect for you to take it to a barbecuing weekend or even tailgating at a concert. The Skullet comes with a 5-foot regulator hose with a quick disconnect on the end, just like we're familiar with the fire cans. So this makes an easy, toolless connection when you get to camp and you start setting up. Let's turn the gas on and get this lit. Now, this has a built-in igniter. Not only that, it also has a safety switch, so if it tips over, it'll shut the gas off. The top is cast iron, and here you can see it with the cooking vents open, or when you close them, it turns it more into heater mode. I like to call this fire pit mode because look at that fire ripping out of the top. Now the igniter is built into the flame adjustment knob, and I can go from high to low or really anywhere in between. By closing the top vents, you can see it really starts holding the heat inside the unit, and this thing packs a punch at 48,000 BTUs. On low, we're almost at 700 degrees and it's only been running a few minutes. And on high, we're pushing numbers all the way up to 900 degrees. So you can imagine on a snowy day at camp how this is going to keep you and the people around you warm. This really is like a Swiss Army knife of gear because I can use it as a fire pit, I can use it as a heater, and I can cook on it. Now you can cook on it just as it is, or you can buy the deluxe model that comes with these foldable legs and a cast iron IGNIK griddle top. Having adjustable legs is a great addition because if you're using this in heater mode or fire pit mode, having your heat source raised off the ground is a real plus. With the cooking vents open on the top, you can see that the griddle is created with a ring so that it fits perfectly on top and you don't have to worry about it falling off. Once you have your fire lit, you want to push in on your knob and then turn clockwise to go lower than your lowest fire setting. This is going to give you control for cooking because you want a lower flame and you want to see some of that blue flame as well. I hopped over to Amazon and I picked up a couple extra pieces to make my cooking experience more versatile on a skillet top. You can watch me use these in my other videos. I'll put the links here at the end. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you've learned a lot. This is probably one of my favorite pieces of gear so far and definitely for this year. So go check these out. This is stuff we like and why we like it. If you're anything like us, we know you're gonna like it too.